Alright, so here's my third example for implicit differentiation. You can see my first two in another video. I did those two examples in one video, and I just decided to stop after the second one and make a separate video for the third one. So you can see here we have this in terms of x and y. So I'm going to use implicit differentiation here. So you can see here I have the product rule I have to do here. I've got sine x cosine y. Alright, so remember it's the derivative of the first times the second plus the derivative of the second times the first. Okay, and and there's different ways that you can do that. I just usually do the derivative of the first times the second plus the derivative of the second times the first. Some of you may do the first function times the derivative of the second plus the second times the derivative of the first, and that's fine. It's no different. You're going to get the same answer either way. Alright, so let's go ahead and do this. So, and now this 2 here is just going to tag along. Okay, we're not going to really do anything with the 2. It's just going to tag along with as we're going. So the derivative of sine x is what? Cosine x. Okay, so I've got 2 cosine x times cosine y. Okay, so it's the derivative of the first, which is cosine x, times the second, plus, and I'll bring my 2 with me, plus the derivative of the second. Now the derivative of cosine y, that's going to be negative sine y times, and remember, times dy dx. Whenever you take the derivative of the term with the y in it, you multiply by dy dx. Okay, so it's the derivative of the second and then times the first, so times sine x. Okay, alright, and that equals, and that's going to equal the derivative of 1, which is 0. Alright, so let's clean this up just a little bit. So I've got 2 cosine x cosine y minus 2 sine x sine y times dy dx, and that equals 0. Alright, so now I've got to solve for dy dx. So I'm going to subtract this term to both sides. So that's going to leave me with negative 2 sine x sine y times dy dx equals negative 2 cosine x cosine y. And then I'll divide both sides by negative 2 sine x sine y, and that'll give me dy dx by itself. So that's going to give me dy dx is equal to cosine x cosine y over sine x sine y, and the negative 2's cancel out. And so this would be your answer here, or if you wanted to, well, we have cosine x over sine x is what? Cotangent x, and cosine y over sine y is cotangent y. So this, or I guess, if the teacher lets you, you can leave it like that too. Alright, so I hope this video's helped, and if you like them, you can check out my other videos and you can subscribe. Alright, thanks.